How to change cover photo on Airbnb listing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To change cover photo on your Airbnb listing, firstly go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for airbnb.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen and then select Listings from the drop-down menu. Choose the listing for which you want to change the cover photos and then navigate to the Photos section. You can tap on Photos or Photo Tour in Listings menu. Further, tap on all photos to view your entire photo gallery and hover over to the photo you want to set as cover. Now, tap on Make Cover Photo option and ensure that you tap on the Save button in order to save the changes that you just made. So, this is how you can change cover photo on Airbnb listing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.